Alright guys, start of part 2 of the bike build. As we left it, we got some stuff installed and we took a few L's. So, things that we have now, we have the headset, which is in. I just hammered it in with a hammer and a rag so that it wouldn't damage it. That's probably not the correct way to do it. You're either supposed to use a press or this like twist screw tool, but I'm not really too worried. This isn't a precision build, I'm not gonna be going off-road, so it might have bent the races a little bit, but it still turns well enough, so I think it'll be chill. So next up, I'm gonna be sliding on the shocks and assembling the handlebar section with the spacers. I'm not gonna cut the shocks short just yet. I'll do that later. So for now, that's what's going on. Awesome. Alright, there it is, guys. Nothing is actually tightened down, and neither of the chains are on. I'm still waiting for the bottom bracket, which will come tomorrow, so I can finish the assembly. But, whew, god damn, that thing looks fucking sick. Alright. So that's pretty much all I can do for now until tomorrow comes around. Can you focus? Thank you. That's pretty much all I can do for now until tomorrow comes around, but there's the general mock-up. Oh, it's gonna be fucking sick. Alright, we're on the final steps here. I got the crank in, finally got that, so I just gotta put on some pedals and then put on the throttle cable, clutch cable, and the chains, and that will be it. Alright, next up we gotta do the front brake and the throttle and kill switch. And last but not least, my least favorite part of this, we gotta get both of the chains. We gotta get both of those chains on both of these sprockets, and we're probably gonna have some trouble because I don't know if you can tell, but that don't quite line up with the other thing. Alright guys, that is it. A wrap. Holy crap, this thing's taking forever. Alright, so just a quick recap of everything that happened. I put in the headset, put on the spacers, head bar, installed the wheels, installed the engine, had to sand that thing down, installed both chains and the chain tensioner, which is a total bitch because you gotta line that thing up fucking perfectly. Got obviously the frame, which is now got the petcock, which I had to cross thread because it actually, remember how it didn't thread in? I just kind of went for it anyway. So, but it doesn't matter, it's still working out. Gonna have to figure out this filter, but other than that, he's working like a dream. Oof, oh my god. It looks fucking sick, dude. Alright, I'll show you a clip. Oh my god, look at the tears.